Revisiting permutations. Suppose you are a photographer and you need to click pictures of two of your friends, namely Pooja and Reena, such that their pose and background remains the same. In how many ways can you do it? The first way is Pooja is in the first place and Reena is in the second place. So the other way is Reena can be in the first place and Pooja is in the second place. So in total there are two ways. What can you say about clicking pictures of three of your friends, Alia, Pooja and Reena? Let us see in this way. So the three girls can occupy the first place in three ways. Suppose Reena occupies the first place. Remember, there is only one Reena. So there are no duplicates of Reena. So in total, there are now only two girls. So the second position can be occupied in two ways and the third in one way by one person. So the total number of ways of clicking pictures of three people in a cited way will be 6 ways. Suppose Alia is considered as A, Pooja B and Reena C. We get the total possible ways of clicking pictures of three of your friends as ABC, ACB, BAC, BCA, CAB and CBA. The principle used here is called fundamental principle of counting. What is it? So it is basically that if an event occurs in m ways following which another event occurs in n ways, then the total number of ways will be m cross n. Clicking pictures of three people can be done in 3 into 2 into 1. 4 people is 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. What about n people? That would be n into n minus 1 into so on till 1 and is known as n factorial. Arrangement of objects is called a permutation. Arrangement of n objects in all places is denoted by factorial n divided by factorial n minus r. Suppose you need to insert 5 books in 2 boxes. Repetition is allowed, assuming that each box can hold more than 5 books. In how many ways can it be done?
The first book can occupy in any of the two places, this or that. So we can say that the first book can be inserted in any of the two boxes, box 1 or box 2. The second book can be inserted similarly in two ways. The total ways will be 2 to the power 5. We will use this concept in our last video. Thank you.